In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WordPress posts to CSV, a straightforward task that can seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the process. So, let's dive right in and get started with an organized and clear approach. First, let's set the groundwork by installing an export plugin. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, you'll want to head over to the Plugins section. This is where all the magic happens. Hover over the Plugins option in the menu on the left, and then click on Add New. Here, you can search for some popular and well-maintained plugins that are specifically designed to handle exports like WP All Export or Export, Import, and Export by Proactive. These plugins are highly recommended due to their robust features and user-friendly interfaces. Once you've identified a plugin that stands out with good ratings and a high number of active installations, it's time to bring it into your WordPress ecosystem. Simply click Install Now. This will prompt your WordPress site to download the necessary files. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the button will change and you'll see an option to Activate. Make sure you click on this, as activation is key to making the plugin functional and ready to use. With the plugin activated, you'll observe a new menu item added to your WordPress dashboard. Typically, this could be something like All Export or Import and Export, followed by another option labeled New Export. Click on it to start the export process. This is where you'll begin navigating through the plugin's interface to start exporting your WordPress posts. The plugin will guide you through the setup, asking you to choose the specific content type you wish to export. In this case, since we're focusing on posts, you'll want to select Posts from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it tells the plugin exactly what type of content you're looking to export. It's worth noting that these plugins usually offer a range of export options, so if you're planning additional exports in the future, you'll be able to choose from pages, custom post types, and more. To wrap everything up, these were the foundational steps to find, install, and set up a plugin that allows you to export WordPress posts into a CSV format. By following these instructions carefully, you'll be able to efficiently manage and export your post data for a variety of purposes, whether it's for backup, data analysis, or migrating content elsewhere. As always, remember to back up your site before making significant changes, including plugin installations. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting!